All right, welcome back everybody. My name's Austin. Today I want to update you on the latest news involving Bitcoin, involving Ethereum, involving altcoins, and much more. So like always, check the timestamps down below in the description and let's jump in. What a crazy world we live in where at the end of 2020, one of the legends of Wall Street, Paul Tudor Jones, heavily respected in the traditional investing world, is on Yahoo Finance today, laying out the belief that Bitcoin right now is undervalued, much like the internet was undervalued in the mid-90s. He makes it clear that he's not all in by any means, and 10, 20 years from now, there will be many sovereign nations probably with their own digital currencies. That's where we're trending towards. But from an investment perspective today, Bitcoin is that digital gold. Watch this.
Can we talk about inflation for a sec? I know you wrote this letter back in May, and I will preface it. I know you're not a flag bearer for Bitcoin by any means, but you did have a fascinating thesis. Would love to kind of get an update on that, especially at current levels, and how you're thinking about the cryptocurrency in the context of your portfolio.
Again, I'm not an expert on Bitcoin by any stretch. It's just with a market cap of 500 billion, it's the wrong market cap in a world where you've got $90 trillion worth of equity market cap, and God knows how many trillions of fiat currency, et cetera. So it's the wrong market cap, for instance, relative to gold, which is 8 or 9 trillion. The Bitcoin reminds me so much of the internet stocks of 1999, because the internet was in its infancy. No one knew how to value it because of the world of possibility that lay ahead. What you can be certain of is that probably 20 years from now, our kids and grandkids, whatever, all of us will be using some type of digital currency. Digital currency will be used by every sovereign. They may have their own digital currency, whatever. They'll be very, very, very commonplace at that point in time. Cash may be gone. And so in that world, where does Bitcoin fit in? As well as some of the other cryptocurrencies. Where does Ethereum or Tether? I don't know. I'm not smart enough to figure that out. I think that Bitcoin, if I really had to kind of guess what the future is going to be, it's going to be a lot like the metals complex, where you have precious crypto. That might be Bitcoin. It's the first crypto, first mover in a world that's so compressed. It has that historical integrity within digital currencies that it will always have. So that might, and again, because of its finite supply, that might be the precious crypto. Then you're going to have transactional cryptocurrencies along with the sovereigns, and they may be more like the industrial metals. So where you have gold as a precious metal, and then you've got copper and platinum and palladium, et cetera, that are industrial, lead, aluminum, industrial metals. You may have precious crypto and you may have industrial crypto. It's no way possible today to know what the next 10 or 20 years are going to be like. And I know that if I had to again take a position on it, I'm gonna take the brand name, which is Bitcoin. I'm going to assume that it's the wrong price for the possibilities that it has. And I'm going to assume that the path forward from here is north.
Wow. What do you think? This is the first cycle in cryptocurrency where smart money becomes the cheerleaders for Bitcoin, becomes the educators for Bitcoin. Think about that. Next piece of news, big moment for Ethereum holders. Visa has just partnered with Circle to let card issuers integrate USDC payment capabilities. Check this out. Visa announced a partnership today with Circle Internet Financial, one of the firms behind Ethereum-based stablecoin USDC. Now, what does this mean to you? Well, according to Forbes, Circle will work with select Visa credit card issuers to integrate USDC software into their platforms to send and receive USDC payments. And basically, this just increases the utility of Ethereum, / really the utility of USDC. This will be the first corporate card that will allow businesses to be able to spend a balance of USDC. And we think that this will significantly increase the utility that USDC can have for Circle's business clients. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why is Visa needed in this? People could send USDC payments anyway without Visa. But basically, it's just an easier user experience for businesses. It's what they know. Eventually, Visa-supported businesses will be able to send USDC payments internationally to other Visa-supported businesses, according to Forbes. Interesting. So they could have done without, but this is just going to open up so many more no-coiners into stablecoins, which is the on-ramp into Bitcoin and Ethereum and cryptocurrency, I think. Obviously, you feel free to share what you think. Before our next piece of news, real quick, I've seen a lot of fake accounts, impersonators, bots in our comment section. Just know that this channel will never reach out to you asking you to contact a person or invest. And when we do talk in the comments, which we do at every video, we will have a check mark next to our name in the comment section. Just be wary. Don't let anybody steal your Bitcoin. Okay, next piece of news. Audio streaming giant Spotify is looking into crypto payments. Check this out. Spotify, one of the world's largest streaming audio providers, is looking for candidates with a crypto background to fill a new role at the company. So this is from a recent job post. The new position is 1, expected to play a key role in defining and implementing Spotify's payment strategy, and 2, further the company's involvement in Facebook's recently rebranded crypto project Diem. So it'll help get Spotify into digital assets, central bank digital currencies, and as it says in a direct quote, you will drive further consideration of new opportunities and innovation, including cryptocurrencies. It's happening, guys. And this rolls right into our next piece of news. The Libra Association rebrands itself to Diem and has also just recruited several high-profile experts. So Libra's not dead in any sense, and now transitioning to the name Diem, which denotes a new day for the project, the Diem Association will continue to pursue a mission of building safe, secure, and compliant payment systems that empower people and businesses around the world. So just FYI, Libra, now Diem, will probably be a major player in 2021, and they're definitely making the push to be part of the conversation. Okay, let's get to the latest altcoin news, and also a 60-second word about our sponsor. And yes, the timestamps are below. You could skip it, or you could stay with me. Be with me on this. They support us. I want to support them. Blockfi, of course, is offering traditional banking services to cryptocurrency investors. So you can put your crypto to work, earn up to 8.6 APY with a Blockfi interest account, and for a limited time, get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more. Link down below, check it out. So basically, if you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or a vast array of stablecoins, you can grow your wealth a little bit in a passive way. You know this, you like this. In today's little segment, let's talk about the crypto-backed loans. So basically, it allows you to access liquidity in USD without actually selling. So by using your crypto as collateral, you can unlock up to 50% of the value of such assets in USD. And you can receive the funding the exact same day that they receive the collateral. So what are the details? It's a 4.5% interest rate. You can receive this loan duration for up to 12 months. And again, a link down below, or use the link blockfi.com/altcoin daily. Okay, next piece of altcoin news. Theta Labs launches its blockchain video delivery platform in beta. So it finally happened. The video platform is out. Edgecast is a decentralized application, DApp, built on Theta's peer-to-peer video blockchain technology, powered by the Theta Edge network. According to the announcement, the network currently consists of over 2,690 nodes worldwide. So would you use this? And would you use this for something like the DApp allows for the capture of video, transcoding in real time before caching and relaying that content to users globally. The network is also responsible for powering the firm's esports streaming platform, Theta TV. And what's interesting, as part of the launch, the World Poker Tour will offer around-the-clock content on Theta Edgecast. That's huge. That's interesting. I like poker. We're not on Theta currently. We tried Hyper for a while. We're still on Hyper. But really, YouTube has the discovery. Hosting is not the problem, although I like different companies and platforms coming up. YouTube still has the discovery. It has the masses. We're going for mass adoption on the channel. But it's great to have some of these alternatives making progress. But that's the video. My name's Austin. See you tomorrow.